This video will demonstrate taking a polyvinyl siloxane bite registration, which is a record of the patient's occlusal relationship. To assemble the Automix gun, push the plunger release upward with the thumb. While holding the lever up, pull the plunger all the way back into the dispenser handle. Open the cartridge lock by lifting up the top clasp. Orient and insert the material cartridge with the V-shaped notch facing downwards. Close the top clasp to lock the cartridge into the dispenser gun. Advance the plunger to enter into the cartridge. If the plunger does not enter into the cartridge, check to see that it is properly aligned. Remove the cartridge cap by turning it 90 degrees. The cap will be reused for storage. Install a mixing tip on the cartridge by lining up the V-shaped notch on the outside colored rim of the mixing tip with the V-shaped notch on the cartridge flange. Once inserted, rotate the cap 1/4 turn clockwise to lock it into place on the cartridge. Do not extrude material into the tip as it will set and a new tip will have to be attached. Barrier the Automix gun with the plastic. Ask the patient to bite in their normal back teeth occlusion. Ask the patient to open widely. Retract the patient's right cheek with the index finger of your left hand. Point the tip onto the occlusal surfaces of the most distal mandibular tooth. Slowly squeeze the cartridge to extrude material on the occlusal surfaces of the teeth, moving the tip from side to side. At the point of each canine tooth, you should release the handle to begin squeezing again. You should need 3 squeezes of the cartridge to cover the entire mandible. Finish at the most distal point of the opposite arch. The entire process can take 30 seconds. Instruct the patient to bite down and hold for 1 minute to allow the material to set. Remove the bite registration and inspect it to see if all the structures are visible. Remove the mixing tip from the cartridge and dispose of it. Remove the barrier bag from the Automix dispensing gun. Replace the cap on the cartridge. And disinfect the Automix dispensing gun and cartridge.